Using the wrong pasta shape for your sauce is a crime. In Italy, pasta is architecture. Every fold and every ridge has a scientific purpose. I'm ranking the most famous pasta shapes in the world. I'm judging them on two strict rules. Sauce hold, how much flavor it grabs, and the chew, the perfect al dente bite. We are ranking every single shape one by one, from S tier, absolute god pasta, all the way down to D tier. Let's go. Fusilli, A tier, the corkscrew. This is the mechanical genius. It catches absolutely everything in its spirals. Perfect for a thick pesto or a ricotta sauce. You know what? Kids really love this pasta, so it pleases kids and adults. Paccheri, B tier, delicious giant tubes from Naples. They are incredible with seafood, but they drop to B tier because they are structurally flawed. When you cook them, they collapse and flatten out on the plate. Farfalle, D tier, the bow ties. I know lots of you love it, but for me, it's a crime of engineering. Where they pinch in the middle, the dough is 3 times thicker. So the wings turn to mush, and the middle is still hard and raw. Uneven cooking. D tier. Rigatoni, S tier, the absolute king of short pastas. I love rigatoni so much. The wide tube holds massive amounts of heavy sauce inside, and the thick walls give you the absolute perfect chew. Spaghettoni, S tier. This is thick spaghetti. That extra thickness makes a massive difference in your mouth. It's my favorite choice. When I find it, I just stock my pantry. I buy 10 packets because it's not easy to find spaghettoni. Very sad. It gives you a deeply satisfying bite that regular spaghetti just cannot do. Bucatini, B tier. I know I'm gonna get lots of comments coming from you. Spaghetti with a hole in the middle. Everyone loves it in a matriciana. Perfect pasta for a matriciana. But it is B tier because it is a nightmare to eat. It whips around like a garden hose and sprays the tomato sauce all over your shirt. Linguine, S tier. This is flat spaghetti. Because it is flat, it creates the perfect surface area for oil to cling to. It is the undisputed essential pasta for seafood. And spaghetti vongole made with linguine, I think it's the best way to do it. Orecchiette, A tier. And please, don't be upset. It deserves a S tier when they are from Puglia and when they are made in Puglia, okay? Because they are little ears from Puglia. But those commercials orecchiette, A tier is the most I can give. Some of them deserve a D, you know? Be away from commercial orecchiette, unless you trust the brand. They are thick on the edge and thin in the middle. They create a perfect little cup to hold broccoli rabe and sausage. Pappardelle, S tier. These are wide, beautiful egg ribbons. This is pure luxury. When you spend 5 hours making a wild boar ragu, this is the only shape you should use. Penne lisce, D tier. These are the smooth penne without the ridges. This should be legal. It has no ridge. The sauce eats the pasta and slides right off. You eat naked pasta and the sauce is left at the bottom of the bowl. I don't like it, but lots of you will disagree with me. Tortellini, S tier, the little meat-filled belly buttons from Bologna. But listen carefully, they are S tier only when served in hot meat broth or in a very nice tomato sugo. So stop covering them in heavy cream. If you're a kid, you're allowed. Great, I love having cream. Of course, they are still good, but if you really want to have the best experience, the meat broth and tortellini, the perfect match. Fettuccine, A tier, a legendary flat pasta. It is beautiful. It is essential for authentic fettuccine alfredo with butter and parmigiano. But it is just misses the S tier because pappardelle has a slightly better chew for meat. I prefer pappardelle for bolognese too, if I have to be honest. Gnocchi, S tier, soft, beautiful potato peelers When they are made right, they melt in your mouth like a cloud. Ultimate comfort food. Conchiglie, B-tier, the shells. They are fantastic for baking in the oven with the cheese. But on a plate, bad for forks, you can twirl them, and when you try to stab them, they break in half. Penne rigate, S-tier. Rigate means ridges. Those ridges act like little teeth. They grab the tomato sauce and refuse to let go. An everyday masterpiece. Mezze maniche, S-tier. It means short sleeves. It's like half a rigatoni. This is the ultimate S-tier weapon for an authentic Roman carbonara. That's right, the guanciale hides right inside the tube. Sadly, very hard to find mezze maniche. When I do, I buy 20 packets. Pasta is art, and sauce is the paint. Match the right canvas to the right masterpiece. Stick to the S tier, A tier, and you will eat like a king. Did I put your favorite pasta in the D tier? Let's fight about it. Let me know in the comment below why I should put this pasta on a A or S tier. E ora si mangia. Which pasta shape are we gonna eat? Mezze maniche.